Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the rotating brush onto your Viomi SE. So in order to do that, you'll need to flip your Viomi upside down and take the brush out of the box. It's this attachment. Now find and locate this input right here, and simply take the rotating brush and place it in here, and then just click it in like that. Now it rotates. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.